ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विथ टाइप्स ऑफ यूटिलिटी। फिर से एक बार हम लोग रिवाइज करते हैं। यूटिलिटी इज अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ कमोडिटी टू सेटिस्फाई ह्यूमन वांट्स। देयर आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ यूटिलिटी, that is form utility, time utility, place utility, service utility, knowledge utility and possession utility. So first type of utility is called as form utility. Whenever any utility is created by changing the form of a commodity, then the utility is said to be form utility. It means if you will change the nature, shape, color, taste, size of a particular commodity, and if any utility is created, then it is called as form utility. For example, clay, clay, clay converted into an idol creates form utility. If raw cotton is converted into a cotton cloth, then the utility created is said to be form utility. So manufacturing creates form utility by changing the raw material into finished goods. So first type of utility is form utility. Now the second type of utility is called as time utility. When you change the time of consumption of a commodity, utility is said to the utility which is said to be created is time utility. Basically there are two types of commodities. First type of commodity is एन्युअली प्रोड्यूस्ड बट दे आर कंज्यूम्ड सीजनली, मतलब जिनका प्रोडक्शन साल भर होता है मगर इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं वो कमोडिटीज़ फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर सीजन. फॉर एग्जांपल वुलन क्लोथ्स और स्वेटर्स. दूसरे प्रकार की कमोडिटी होती है द कमोडिटीज़ विच आर प्रोड्यूस्ड सीजनली बट कंज्यूम्ड एन्युअली. दैट इज जिनका प्रोडक्शन कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन में होता है मगर जिनका इस्तेमाल साल भर किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइस इज कल्टिवेटेड विद इन अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बट इट इज कंज्यूम्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. सो बोथ द थिंग्स, स्वेटर एंड राइस, there is a time gap between its production and consumption. So warehousing fills that particular gap of production and consumption, yeah, production between production and consumption. Then the utility created by warehousing by stocking or preserving the goods is called as time utility. Warehousing creates time utility. Third type of utility is called as place utility. You might have studied this particular topic in 11th standard. Transport creates place utility. There are two places. First place is a place of production and second place is a place of consumption. Transport combines both place of production and place of consumption, and a utility created by transport is called as place utility. So transport creates place utility. Next type of utility is called as service utility. Whenever any services are rendered and utilities are created, the utility is said to be service utility. For example, we hire lots of services of banks, insurance companies, lawyers, chartered accountants, teachers even, right? So these people are there to help us. They are not there to give you the goods. They are there to render their services, and the utility created by their services are called as is called as service utility. Next type of utility is called as knowledge utility. Very simple thing. Education creates knowledge utility. Whenever a particular person don't have knowledge how to use a particular commodity, and once he acquire education to use a particular commodity, knowledge utility is created. When you don't know how to operate your mobile phone, and when you go through the textbook or the booklet or the brochure which comes with your mobile, and once you understand how to operate it, knowledge utility is created. Hence it is said that knowledge utility is created by education. Lastly, it is possession utility. Possession utility is created by trade. You might have studied trade in 11th standard OC. Trade is buying and selling of goods and services for money or money's worth. So once you trade, possession of two things changes. For example, if you went to a shopkeeper or a stationery shop, and if you want to purchase a notebook, you have money and the sailor has got a notebook. Remember, you have money and the sailor has got a notebook. There happens trade between you and the shopkeeper. There is exchange of two goods. Your money becomes his and his notebook becomes yours. So there is exchange of money and notebook. तुम्हारे पैसे उसके हो जाते हैं, उसकी नोटबुक तुम्हारी हो जाती है. So it is called as an exchange, and through this exchange possession utility is created. So possession utility is created through trade. There are 6 different types of utility, and these 6 different types of utilities are created by 6 different types of activities. For your reference, I am just giving you the activities in a table form. See the heading, utility created by various activities. You can see there are 2 columns. First column is type of utility and second column is created by. You can see form utility is created by manufacturing, time utility is created by warehousing, place utility is created by transport, service utility is created by all types of services such as services of a bank, insurance company, advertising agency, hotel, transport, teachers, lawyers, chartered accountants, etc. Knowledge utility is created by acquiring or taking education, and possession utility is created by trade. So these are the various types of utilities created by various types of activities. You may have this particular question for short note. You may have this particular question even for objective types questions such as filling the blanks or match the following also. Thank you.